4th May, IPMAT Indore exam. You have been preparing for months now, some even years. Mocks, analysis, self-doubt, and then come back. You have gone through all of it.
Big questions you can close with confidence because, as you know, 4 wrongs can cancel your 1 right.
MCQs are tempting. If you find a question very lengthy, relax for a while. Scan it, simplify it, and then solve it. Accuracy will give an edge over here. Remember to play smart. All the best.
In VA, don't rush reading. Understand the tone of sentence or the paragraph before jumping onto the answers.
Your first instinct is often correct. Avoid overthinking.
Stay calm and composed. VARC rewards accuracy and clarity more than speed.
Paper tough आएगा, but don't worry, it is tough for everyone because it is the nature of this exam. Don't let one question break your momentum. Stay in paper, keep moving. Control what is in your hand. Your focus, your decisions. Last few moments can change everything. So stay locked in.
So walk in with belief, walk in with calm. You have already done the hard part. Now just go and give your best shot. Keep your spirits high because I know you will all kill it for sure. All the best.